You doing this shit, bitch? No, he's hurting. Oh my granny, oh my cousin, granddad, I did not hit her.
On November 24th, 2024, police arrived at a Walmart after hearing that an employee had stolen money from the cash register. But things took a surprising turn when they looked inside her purse and found something unexpected. This is what happened next.
Come on in real quick, please.
All right, Deja. So they got you on camera, basically taking money from the register, putting it in your pocket.
Money? Where?
Yeah, they got you on camera. Would you be able to empty out your pockets?
And my money.
Okay, can you take that out?
Yes, ma'am. I mean, yes, sir.
Can I see it real quick?
Do you have anything else in your pockets?
No, sir. I mean, no, ma'am.
Okay, I'm gonna have you go ahead, place your items right there. I'm gonna have you turn and face the wall right here. I'm gonna pat you down. You got nothing on you?
That's about the left.
This one.
Upside down. Unless she has a purse.
Okay, you can fix your pants. And you could have a seat right here.
I didn't take anything. I have my own money.
Okay. Well, I mean, it's on camera.
Can I see for myself?
These are
Please?
pictures.
I'm gonna show you the pictures just to show.
Oh, that's
there's
fine.
a camera like literally right
I
above
know that. Of course.
you. So here's the times that I guess you were taking it the other days, right? The other days? Okay.
I can't see nothing. I see me taking money out.
I'm gonna tell you what to do right
okay.
now, okay? 'Cause right now you're at work.
What I'm going to need you to do is write a statement about why you have this money and explain to us what has happened on these previous days.
How can I know what happened
Okay.
if
Well,
it looked like I'm taking money out of the drawer?
I'm just letting you know, it's all in video, okay? So I need you to write a statement about what has happened with this money that we had missing from your registers that you've been on. Okay?
Like, what do I'm confused. What do
So you right?
I hear him.
Okay.
I hear him.
Okay.
Okay?
Now, y'all gonna make me mad. I'm being calm right now because I'm trying to see what's
Okay,
going
we're
on.
being calm too. We're just explaining what you need to do. Okay? I'm just letting you know. A video and everything of you getting the money.
Okay.
Okay?
I'm confused. Can I put my stuff back up here
No,
now?
just leave him up there.
This is my shit that I bought for my mom.
Okay, just
Okay, ma'am.
write the
listen.
statement.
We're gonna.
This is
keep your
my stuff
out.
though. What y'all
Okay, right now you're in
mean?
custody. Okay. So I need you
Custody
to get
for
your stuff
what?
out. All right, just write the statement. That's fine.
Like, this is my stuff I bought with my money. Why
Okay,
can't I
so
put it
then
back
write
in
that
my-
on the statement.
I
so that
am.
we can- Okay, you don't need to yell at me. Do what they're
I'm
told
grown
you
as
to do.
hell. Don't talk to me how I'm not talking to you. I'm talking
Okay,
to you.
right now you're still at work, so you're
I
gonna
know
do what
that.
work's gonna ask
I
you to do, and it's to
am.
write that
I
statement.
am, but
So
let
you're-
them, my people, the people that I'm working for, let them talk to me, please.
Okay,
Y'all
well,
don't
they
have
called
to.
us to assist, so now we're here. So now you're gonna write that statement.
Y'all putting on, like, come on now.
Just write what happened. It's already documented. It's already in video.
I want to
Okay,
see
so
what happened. That's why
I'm telling you what happened.
You're not gonna
I'm
see
not
it.
talking to y'all, please.
Listen.
I'm talking
Listen.
to you.
But I'm not talking to
You're
you.
not
I'm
gonna
talking
see
to
it.
him.
I'm telling you what's happened. Okay?
Okay, but like, what?
Seen on
How am I?
video, taking money from the registers and putting it in your
So
vest
that's
pocket.
what y'all seen,
Okay?
and that's what I didn't do.
Okay. Well, it's on video.
Okay, I want
It's
to
on
see a video.
Well, I'm telling you. I'm telling you what's on video.
Okay, it's okay. I don't want to write no statement.
What?
Saying that I took something out y'all drawer. Okay.
We're not saying, you know. It's on video. Okay? You know. I don't come here just to look at videos.
So what
and
y'all
watch.
finna do?
Arrest you.
Arrest me?
Yeah. So you're gonna do what they told you to do: is get back. On
Why
the
is y'all arresting me?
Because you're under arrest for stealing.
I didn't steal
Okay,
anything.
just take off your vest so then we can get out of here.
Okay, can I go home? I didn't steal shit. Like, I'm not even from out here.
You work for it?
Bro, don't touch me. I gotta get my shit. I gotta get my stuff.
You're in River.
Oh, I think I'm still shopping. Okay, turn around.
Arm.
Stop resisting.
Get on the ground. Give me your hands.
Put your hands behind your back or I'm going to tase you.
You're hurting me.
Fine.
No, he's hurting me. Oh, John, y'all serious
Now
right
you're under arrest
now?
for resisting.
What you mean? I just finna turn around, y'all. Can I get my belongings? Can I get my belongings? I get my phone and
I'll grab that in a
everything.
second. What else is yours that's here?
I'm trying to, like, what the f***? Y'all just overdid it. Ooh, you just literally broke my...
32.
Oh, y'all serious? I'm suing the fuck out of y'all.
Ambulance.
What you mean?
Get against the ground.
I swear to God, y'all fool, boy.
Stop resisting.
Y'all did this, bro. Y'all did this.
Just calm down.
Y'all fucking hurting me.
A lot of noise in the background. Did you say?
Can I calm down, please?
Calm down.
I'm trying, bro. And I'm over. You, bro.
Stop.
You doing this?
Stop. Someone else in there. Yeah, for West Cover.
She's on a 52 too. She's bleeding.
You did it.
You
Why?
resisted.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I promise I didn't.
Okay.
It burned.
Stop tensing up your hands.
It burned, man. Like, I'm not doing any. Y'all already got me in the handcuffs. Where can I go?
That's why you're getting.
Y'all did this, bro. After the
You
fact,
resisted.
What
Why
you
did
mean?
why did you resist arrest?
I did it.
Okay.
I did it. I asked,
So
like,
you
can I
throwing the
get my
phone at her?
thing?
So you throwing your phone at
I
her?
got, oh my granny, oh my cousin
on
granny
video.
that's tatted on me, G.
It's on
I did
video.
not hit her.
Okay, well, you're on body camera, so.
Wait, y'all did all that. After the fact, I asked her politely, can I go in the back and get my thing? They broke my nail.
66.
They broke my nail.
Okay.
That's really it.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
You want to go to the hospital and get checked out?
No.
Okay.
How about we cover that up so it doesn't bleed all over, okay? Sounds good?
Copy. Appreciate it.
This is it.
John, you want to take that?
Yeah,
Let's put it in your car.
When officers started searching her purse, they discovered something they weren't expecting.
Oh, that's man. Oh, that's man.
We just gotta make sure there's no weapons in it.
Probably mace because I get on the bus.
That's fine.
And that's the locker. Y'all want y'all locker back? I mean, yeah, the locker.
Yeah.
ID in there?
No, she can do it.
No, I was saying, you got ID in your purse?
She's going on to Indiana.
No, that's not my ID. That's not my ID.
Where's your ID at?
It's with pink hair.
What is
you have
this one?
two?
Why you got Indiana?
It's my fake ID. Yeah, I'm young. Can I go through it myself?
Is this another? Oh, this is fake as shit.
Yeah. Can I go through it myself?
Nope, you're in custody right now.
I'm trying to help you.
I have one. I found it.
Damn.
Pink hair. There you go.
No, you don't have to go through all my stuff.
I just gotta make sure there's no weapons.
Ain't
in
no
there. That's
weapons,
it.
ma'am. I don't do none of that. And you can put my IDs back in there.
There was.
That's mine. That is mine.
I didn't know
I
you
just
wanted
took
that.
I can show y'all the transaction that I just took my money out. My account.
Well,
That is mine.
when you go to
Literally.
court, when you go to court,
What you, that is mine. I just took it out my transaction this
well,
morning.
guess what? The bank has transaction history and all that stuff.
Yes,
So,
and I
yeah.
can show
Okay,
y'all.
well, then you could print that and bring it to court, and then you.
But that is,
We'll bring it too. We'll bring it too.
what you mean, bring it? That is mine. I have a bill to pay, and that's why I took it out my transaction.
I've seen nothing
Gonna
now.
get it taken?
I've seen nothing
Gonna
now.
get it out of your bank account? You show that transaction, we got our videos.
What the fuck, bro?
Both of them?
Yep, so I'm taking them.
Oh, good. Yours and we'll get back to you. Okay,
I can't, how I'm gonna get it
Charge
back?
I
I'm
am.
confused.
So you have fake IDs.
Yeah, I do. I'm young. I'm 20 years old.
Okay. Well,
I like to party. I like to,
Yeah, but this shit's legal.
okay, I don't give a fuck. Y'all can throw them away. Y'all got my real ID.
oh no, they're not getting thrown away.
Whatever
You
y'all
charge
gonna do it, I'm getting charged with it.
You absolutely are. That's forgery.
Okay,
It's felony charges.
okay, okay.
You're not gonna get a break sitting here fighting with officers.
I'm not fighting. I was never even fighting them. I asked them nicely, can I get my things? And he right here, he broke my nail and some more shit. And
You
you
put your
can,
hands behind your back when he told you to?
I
Okay.
was right here. When I was right here, I got up. And that's when he did all this, everything. I don't have to lie about that.
We have to pass it.
That's fine.
He know what
That's-
he did.
He knows the drill.
Chicago police
Hey,
could never.
Let me see that.
I mean, these are pretty good.
Alright, that car's gonna go into leads for DUI hold and for owner not being present. And then
I don't know. That one looks kind of fake, honestly.
It looks, I don't know,
You
but
can tell it's fake because it's a picture. That's it.
I'll tell you this, getting into a bar, this isn't,
Yeah,
this
it's
is
probably,
fun.
yeah.
Oh, here.
I don't do nothing else with them but getting that. And I use my regular
should
ID
be
for
leaving
everything else.
twice, I believe, so you can just verify.
All right, you guys good then?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Can I do my headphones?
Hey, you can't be on your watch.
I'm touching me, bro.
Hey,
Bro,
once you get down to
watch
jail,
out. Don't
you'll
touch
be-
me.
you'll be
Don't
able to
touch
make calls
me.
once you
Leave
get-
me alone, bro.
Do I have to
Leave
take
me
off the
alone.
watch? Do I have to take off the watch?
Okay, bro. Leave me alone,
Okay,
bro.
stop getting on the watch.
I'm trying to test my whole mom.
You'll be able to make calls once you
I
get
don't
down to
have to
jail.
know. I can make a call now.
No, you can't.
What?
I don't think you understand that you're under arrest.
I don't give a fuck. Fuck you.
Okay.
Hope that's recorded.
It is.
Okay. And I bet you I get out.
No, you probably will. I'm not going to deny that.
Alright, well, we're ready to transport you, so will you behave? Will you be good? Okay.
All right, hey, Lopez.
Did you park car?
Deja is led out to a patrol car, taken to jail and booked for theft, aggravated assault on a peace officer, and resisting arrest. She later pled not guilty to the charges. That case is still pending.